Douche. Are you okay? Dude, I don't think he's waking up. Dude.
Yeah.
Dude,
Oh, fuck.
are you okay?
Ow. What the fuck? Fuck you, man.
That's Alan headbanging. Play this game. Modern Warfare 2. And add this guy. Sons Devil 1. Alright. Hey, this is Xbox Rocks here, and make sure to subscribe. This is Alan
Fugwana.
Fugwana.
Check out my 10 breakdowns. Fugwana. Don't be a douche. I created it.
So, thanks for subscribing. I'll put a link around here somewhere. Bye.